Balitang PBA. Bagong taon, bagong hamon na naghihintay sa powerhouse team San Miguel Beermen. Para sa buong detalye, narito ang report ni teammate Maria Isabel Reyes.
Isa sa tiyak na aabangan ng kanilang fans at mamatyagan naman ng mga kritiko ang PBA Philippine Cup title defense ng defending champions, San Miguel Beermen. Curious ang lahat kung uubra ba ang sistema ng Beermen ngayong nadagdagan sila ng isang top-notch scorer sa katauhan ni Terence Romeo at bubudburan pa ng kalidad na assistant coach ang maalamat na retired point guard Jimmy Alapag. Nakuha ng Beermen si Romeo sa isang trade kapalit ni Brian Heruela, David Semerad at 2020 first round draft pick. Challenge namang maituturing ni SMB head coach Leo Austria ang nangyaring major addition sa kanilang lineup.
A lot of people is expecting us to do well in this conference because of a strong lineup, and I keep on telling them na yes, we have a strong lineup, but that's on paper. It's remained to be seen. So it requires a lot of hard work for us to get that goal, which is the championship.
Aminado naman si Austria na isa ang Beermen sa paghahandaan ngayon ng mga koponan sa PBA.
So every team and the PBA is trying to beat us. Kami ang target nila ngayon eh. We're trying to prepare hard dahil alam namin na ang challenge is really tough for us. Dahil ever since na we won a lot of championship in the All-Filipino, they're trying to beat us. And I noticed in the last few conferences na they're always prepared if ever na they're playing against us.
Tatangkain ng Beermen na depensahan ang kanilang All-Filipino Cup title na nakatakdang magbukas sa January 13 sa Philippine Arena, Bocaue, Bulacan. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.